Okay, so let's dive into a quick demo of what STN or speech to note desktop companion application can do for you. So someone has asked me this question, like beyond people who spend too much time writing, describe three specific people who you have talked to who have problems speech to note solve. What exact words do they use to describe their pain? So okay, I can just go to desktop companion application which is present over here, and I can start recording, and then I have my formats available here. I can use them as well. So I'll just use my shortcut command Option R, and it has started recording. You can see here. So there are doctors who are using speech to note application. They describe it as like after using speech to note, they are able to pay a lot of attention to their patient needs. They're obviously recording those conversations with the consent of their patients, but their patients have given them a great feedback in terms of like doctors have been able to pay more attention to them, and they're not just being a robot who's typing on their laptop whenever they are visiting their doctor. So they have received great feedback. Then second, users are real estate users who are visiting a lot of properties in a given day and trying to list them on property listing websites. So instead of taking manual notes, what they do is they open speech to note mobile app and they speak up all their thoughts while going through the property. And once they are done with that, they just come back home. They have created a format of a property listing website for themselves, because you can create custom formats using speech to note platform, and they just quickly get a format and they just use that format to paste on different websites, and they are easily converted into different languages as well for different website requirements. For example, if you are in France and you want to list the property on an English website and on a French website, you don't have to write all of that content again. You can just take your raw thoughts and you can convert it into a preferred format of your own and convert it into a preferred language as well at the same time. The third user to whom we have been catering is people with motor accessibility who cannot really type that fast. So for them, this desktop companion application is going to be a great asset. We are initially going to release this for Mac, but we are also planning to release this for Windows. So they can just press a hotkey and start speaking. And once they are done speaking, they can just press another hotkey in order to convert that transcription into a favorite format of their own, like a list. And that can be good to go for them. So yeah, these are the three types of users who are using speech to note, apart from people who are spending a lot of time writing. So I've stopped it. I pressed the shortcut command Option S, and now the transcription is also completed. So while recording, these banners don't come, but if you're not recording a video or if you're not on a call, these banners also come as a notification. So I can paste the raw transcript here. So this is fine. Like the raw transcript of speech to note is coming here, whatever I talked about. But here's the trick. Like, since that transcript is currently in my clipboard, I can just go here and I can convert that into a list. I have set list on my Command Option 3 shortcut. So I can press Command Option 3 and you can see this transcription or summarization is in progress. And you can see your list is ready. So if I just come back here and paste, now this has converted into a nice list. So doctor use speech note. Okay, I can make those corrections, small little corrections. That's not a problem. Application to record patient conversations with their consent, allowing them to focus on more patient needs and receive positive feedback for avoiding computer distractions during consultation. Real estate professionals leveraging speech to note, like I mentioned, and individuals with motor accessibility, right? So this is what I talked about, and it converted I showed you the raw transcript, which I pasted, and I also showed you how I converted it seamlessly into a list kind of a format. And you can access all of this in this desktop companion application, where my raw transcript is still here. It's a little buggy. We need to fix this. We will be working on a fix where you can see the transcription in a full length and not like this. But you can also see this list which it created based on that transcript which was already copied in my clipboard, right? So I can just take any text, any piece of text, and I can copy it and I can convert that into a format super easily. So that's not a problem at all. So yeah, that's what speech to note does for you. And this is what I wanted to show this in this updated demo of speech to note desktop companion application, which we are rolling out first for the macOS. So yeah, if you haven't shown your interest yet, you can just comment down STN below, and I will be happy to reach out and give you the 6 months trial for the Pro Plus account of speech to note. And I'm looking forward to having your thoughts in the comment as well. Cheers.